Okay, AeroGarden versus Click and Grow. If you cook in a small apartment, skip the tallest tower on Amazon. You want the kit that fits your counter and that you can live with. In an apartment, for things matter more than brand hype. Footprint,
Noise.
built-in light, and what those refill pods cost after month 2. Quick side-by-side. AeroGarden Harvest-class usually means 6 pods and a small pump with a low hum. Click and Grow Smart Garden 3 is silent, with 3 pods and a narrower footprint. Here's our apartment scorecard, 1 to 10. AeroGarden leads on capacity. Click and Grow wins on silence and footprint. Ease of use?
Basically a tie.
Both are beginner-friendly. So, who should buy which? Go AeroGarden if you use herbs often, and a soft pump hum is fine. Go Click and Grow if you sleep near the kitchen, or you just need it quiet. One more reality check. Both brands lock you into proprietary pods. Do one branded cycle first, learn the hardware, then switch to blank inserts and seeds you actually cook with. Our call is simple. AeroGarden Harvest-class for most apartment kitchens. Click and Grow if silence matters most. The full write-up is free on sillgarden.com.